Okay. And here we go. Starting with, I should start with the letters. Okay. I'm burning the letter. Last letter he wrote me. That's the last love letter he wrote me. Burning that shit. And the tickets when me, him, and Tony went to the fair. Burning that shit too. Next is all the letters he wrote me from jail that I actually freaking wrote him back to. I think that's the only actual love letter on paper I have from him, other than jailbird letters. Yep. Up in flames, just like our whole damn relationship. I deleted all his pictures, everything. I hope he never comes back, although I know he will.